Hi, in front of me is MEDIATEK KT107 and today I would like to show you how you can add screen lock on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now scroll down, click on security over here and tap on screen lock. Then pick one of the login methods by tapping on the chosen one. Swipe pattern, pin or password. I will go with pattern, so now I have to click on it, draw my pattern, click continue over here, repeat it and tap confirm. Now pick one of the options for your notifications. On lock screen, I will go with don't show notifications at all, so I have to click on this option and tap done. So now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!